Hi guys, most of them get answer 60 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. Here 8 minus 4 is 4. Here 16 minus 1 times this 4. Now 16 minus 1 is 15 times 4. Here 15 times 4 is 60. It is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS. Here, multiplication and divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this, we have to follow this left to right order in the equation. We are going to do this in correct way by using order of operations PEMDAS. As per this, we have to do this bracket first. So, 16 minus 1 times this bracket is 8 minus 4 is 4. Now here subtraction and multiplications. Multiplication is higher priority in this PEMDAS rule. So we have to do this first. 16 minus 1 times 4 is 4. Now 16 minus 4 is 12. This is the correct answer.